Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 3, Lesson 10. Our learning goal for today says, I can compare the weight of an object to a set of weights on a balance scale. Okay, so in our last lesson, we used that great math tool, a balance scale. Today, we're going to be weighing objects and comparing them to a group of other weights. So I'm really excited because I was cleaning out our toy room yesterday. So I have lots of toys I would like to weigh. And I found a whole bunch of pennies lying around. So how about let's take some toys from the toy chest and compare them to groups of pennies. All right, here we go. All right, so as you can see on my balance scale, the horse rocker is the same weight as that group of pennies. How do we know that? What does the balance scale have to look like in order for them to be even? Yeah, you're exactly right. It has to be straight across. And that's exactly what it is. See that nice straight bar? Okay, so here's my rocking horse. And on the other side, it's the exact same weight as that small group of pennies. So how many pennies do you see there, friend? Yeah, go ahead and count them. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know they're kind of clumped together. If you need to get your finger and tap on the screen to count it, that's what I do. I recommend it. All right, so I see the rocking horse and I see 5 pennies. So I'm going to say the sentence, the toy is as heavy as blank pennies. So the toy is as heavy as 5 pennies, because that's how many pennies are on the other side. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, I put a spinny tap. All right, so I see that they're even again, so they must be the same amount. So how could I finish this sentence? The toy is as heavy as blank pennies. What would I put in that blank, friend? Perfect. The toy is as heavy as 3 pennies. How did you figure that out? You're good. Yeah, you just have to count the pennies. 1, 2, 3. See, I did all the hard work. I put the toy on the balance scale, and then I dropped pennies on there until they were even. All you have to do is just count them. I know, we're a good team. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, this is a bigger toy. That truck is a little bit bigger than everything else. So let's see. How can I finish this sentence? The toy is as heavy as blank pennies. What would I put in that blank? Oh, did you say 6 pennies? Friend, you are so good. Yeah, let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ding, ding, ding. Good job. The toy is as heavy as 6 pennies. Remember, all I have to do, if I already see on the balance scale that they're even, I just need to count the group of weights, which we're using pennies, that compares to the truck. And it's 6. All right, whoa, what about this big train? This one's a little wild. It took me a while. I had to drop a lot of pennies on the scale in order for them to be even. How would you finish this sentence? The toy is as heavy as blank pennies. What would you put in that blank? Ooh, count carefully. Perfect. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The toy is as heavy as 9 pennies. Okay, great. You've done a fantastic job. Our learning goal says I can compare the weight of an object to a set of weights on a balance scale. In this case, our set of weights were a whole bunch of pennies. And you did a fantastic job. All right, what I would like you to do is seesaw the answer to me about this one. I have the super fun rings that I put together on one side and a ton of pennies on the other side. Can you go ahead and finish this sentence for me in a seesaw video? The toy is as heavy as blank pennies. How many pennies are as heavy as that toy? Don't forget, all you have to do is look at the balance scale. All right, good luck, friends.